Hello, UW-Stout graduate students. Thank you for allowing us into your homes to celebrate with you today. I know you've spent the last 9 months trying to find the positive in this situation and make the best of whatever you have to work with wherever you are. In that time, you've all done so much to adjust your schedules and adapt your lives to persevere through your program, to progress, to graduate, and to reach your goals. It's been my privilege to watch you all, amongst the chaos, step up and outside of the ordinary to achieve extraordinary things. It is because of you and your remarkable accomplishments that we are here today, celebrating together apart. Thank you all for continuing to be role models in your professional lives, your community, and most importantly, in your families. Be sure you celebrate yourself today. Don't let the distance between us diminish the fact that you have accomplished great things. You have all made us Stout proud.
The Graduate School. Applied Psychology. Alicia Blaise. Elena Carroll. Lindsay Lebrasseur. Mikhail Elizabeth Marzovka. Macy Neitzel. Sydney Victoria May Tylecki. Daniel Aaron Utek. Grant Warmis. Career and Technical Education. Kayla Carell. Wendy Deem. Roxanne Hendricks. James Jonathan Jadzuski. Garrett Richard Kaminsky. Scott Camp. Jessica Marie Monfils. Lisa Karen Nowak. Archeline Juliette O'Brien. Betty Diane Palmer. John Anthony Sobota II. Kaylee Ann Strell. Aaron Robert Williams. Clinical Mental Health Counseling. Gunther Pearson Carpenter. Matthew John Dew. Alexandra Hope Anderson. Nicole Mary Gardner. Elizabeth Halama. Marie Renee Hanby. Jessica Lynn Love. Natya Marie Nussberger. Lonnie Joy Osika. Mackenzie Elizabeth Racine. Jordan Adela Trent. Ashley Lynn Marie Van Dyke. Construction Management. Todd Douglas Onert. James F. Bunkelman. Education. Terry Artemchik. Kimberly Ann Belissel. Amy Jo Chenoweth. Nicole Jane DeBrew. Megan DeSalvo. Julie Ann Engebretson. Emily Alice Instenis, Michelle Jessup, Rachel Ann Elizabeth King, Elizabeth Grace Kreider, Lisa Lanting, Robert James Lawton, Jennifer Ann Ogle, Erin Elizabeth Porosky, Kevin Charles Robinson, Lauren A. Rudder, Stephanie Lynn Schutpels, Jennifer Louise Skiba, Melissa Jean Tomas. Food and Nutritional Sciences, T. Daniel Harvey, Kabita Parajuli, Darren Reed, Saikumar Samudrala. Information and Communication Technologies, Stephen Joseph Gagliardi, Connor James Lemerandi, Linda Marie Rosland, Ashley Walden, Manufacturing Engineering, Russell Elson, Durand James Hall, Robert Nicholas Hambrock, Brandon Harrison, Armand Joseph Hess, Joseph Allen Cohn, Garrett Paul Neff, Stephen Kwok Vu Pham, Ross Mason Wittenbarger, Xiaochen Wu, Operations and Supply Management, Hossam Hussein Alfifi, Philip Bartling, Heidi Lynn Bauman, Harrison Wayne Bernier, Chad J. Goldsmith, Damian Robert Guggenbuhl, James Gunderson, Scott A. Gunnifson, Anthony Hawks, Momadou Jallo, Jeffrey Scott Keel, Rachel Marie Cozier, Scott Robert Mickaloon, Justin Taylor Melby, Aaron Nondorf, Evan Edward Peterson, Andrew James Scheitel, Justin Gregory Scholl, Jonathan Yang, Rehabilitation Counseling, Monica L. Kumar, Risk Control and Safety Management, Jason Todd Hagurley, Kyle Wayne Kurlenmeyer, Vanessa Wang, School Counseling. Brianna Marie Homich. Kent Vang. Sustainable Management. Clarence James Elkins. Dawn Marie Gateke. Amanda Beth Holloway. Technical and Professional Communication. Stacy Espiritu. Julie L. Tremel Hintz. Michelle Angela Lee. Training and Human Resource Development. Sean Eric Bombach. Malia N. Bono. Deborah Shinky Cottrell. Kara Lee Downard. Troy Robert Egger. Lisa Rose Gotzinger. Tia K. Walker. School Psychology. Nicholas John Livingston. Conservation Biology. Andy Louise Elward. Connor J. Doherty. Dan Gordon. Natasha Elizabeth Harrigan. Autumn Lopez. Tess Rebecca Newhouse. Mai Leah Vang. School Psychology. Catherine Elizabeth Schroeder. Design. Jonathan Paul Wheeler. Designing the Future. Diegetic Prototyping and Literary Adaptation in Speculative Fiction Cinema. Career and Technical Education. Brigida L. Altman. High School Youth Apprenticeship Participation and its effects on the advancement of employability skill development and post-secondary career. Francis John Fernandez. The Underrepresentation of Hmong Americans in STEM Careers. Andrew Jack Pash. Student Perceptions of Accelerated Program Learning, a Comparative Study. Ryan Ubersachs. A case study examining the purpose and implementation of Fab Labs in PK through 12 education in Wisconsin.
Congratulations, graduates.